If you've been using Canva for a while, you probably think you already know all the text animations. But what if I told you there's a hidden way to unlock animations that most people never use? And no, it's not in the normal animation tab. In this video, I'm going to show you a hidden Canva text animation trick that can instantly make your designs look more professional, more dynamic, and honestly, way more impressive. Let's get into it. First, open Canva and create a new design. It can be anything: Instagram post, YouTube thumbnail, presentation. It works everywhere. Now, add a text. Just click on Text and choose any style you want. You can type something simple like hello or subscribe. Now normally, what most people do is select the text, click on Animate, and choose one of these default animations. And yes, they work. But they're also kind of basic. Here's where the hidden trick starts. Instead of using just one text box, duplicate your text. You can do this by pressing Ctrl+D, or by right-clicking and selecting Duplicate. Now you should have two identical text layers on top of each other. This is the key. Next, select the first text layer. Go to Animate, and choose one animation. For example, something like Fade or Rise. Now select the second text layer. But this time, choose a completely different animation. For example, something like Typewriter or Pop. Now here's the secret part. With the second text selected, go to the timing settings. Adjust the delay so that the second animation starts just after the first one. This creates a layered animation effect that looks like a custom motion design. And most people have no idea you can do this inside Canva. But wait, it gets even better. You can also slightly move the second text layer, just a few pixels up, down, or sideways. When you play the animation now, it creates a motion illusion, almost like a glitch or cinematic effect. This is something you normally see in professional editing software, not in Canva. Another pro tip: try changing the color of the second layer. For example, make one white and the other a bright color like blue or red. When the animation plays, it creates a shadow or echo effect that looks amazing. And if you really want to take this to the next level, you can duplicate the text 3 or even 4 times. Apply different animations to each one, and stagger the timing. Now you're basically creating your own custom animation system inside Canva. Also, don't forget you can combine this with elements. For example, add shapes, lines, or backgrounds, and animate them separately. This makes your design feel much more alive and engaging. Now something important. Make sure your animations are not too fast or too chaotic. If everything moves at the same time, it can look messy. The key is timing and contrast. Simple changes, big difference. And that's it. That's the hidden Canva text animation secret that most people don't know about. Once you start using this, your designs will instantly look more professional, without needing any advanced software. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tips, hidden tricks, and content creation hacks. And let me know in the comments, did you know about this trick before? See you in the next one.